Almost got him. What? How? What just happened? Shoot. Oh no, I'm sorry, teammate. That was entirely my fault. You jump out of this. Okay, I need to position myself far away from our dynamo so that we're covering different angles and so that that doesn't happen again. Trying to help you, teammate. Tried too hard to help you, teammate. Not a fan of that. What is he doing? Literally standing there. Not even sitting in the ink to hide. I have more range than you, you know. Little bit close. If I run out of charge here. God dang it. Alright, good job, Naaman. I think I can get this. Booyah incoming. Just paint the zone. Why aren't we painting the zone? Okay, that should be game. Whew. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Is this a silly place to be? I don't think so. There's one on the left somewhere. I need to respect that because I can't really tell where they're at. Okay, cool. Got them. Game of chicken? Oh, I'm so close. Maybe a little fall off would have done it. Haha, baited. Made you think I was looking someplace else. Ow. We have another heavy on our team. That's neat. A little bit scared there. No. Still over. Very cool. both put them on the same spot, so it's not going to paint much. You can paint through it, especially if I splat them. Let's go. Nice. That went really well. Different time zone. Sorry for the confusion. No, not. Don't apologize. I just had no idea. Most fun I had in a while. Awesome. I'm glad you enjoyed yourself. Hi, Spyburb. Wait. Are you? Hold on. I just saved this on YouTube. One sec. This is for you, Spyburb. Ah, come on, play. I just revisited this video. It's a great video. I highly recommend that people check it out. It's your theme song! And it's very cool. All right. Let's keep it going. Another double heavy match, but they've got double heavy too. What the orange zap is doing there is painting for special more than for movement. I feel like especially in zones and in Rainmaker, it is important to roll out quickly. There's more of an argument for doing something like that in zones than there is in Rainmaker. In Rainmaker, you really want to get pop if you possibly can. Most of the time. So they did do a great job there of staying alive until a teammate could come and help them. I don't know if that was exactly their plan. Darn it. Okay, we're not gonna be able to get that. I don't know if that was their plan or if they were just, you know, struggling in the fight, but it worked out that way. If you're in a fight that you can't conclusively win, but you can stay alive, that is still a valuable thing to do. That still tends to lead to you eventually winning the fight. At least I can make that jump. I'm used to the jump that you get while you're charging being useless for literally any practical purpose. Oh, I didn't have enough charge in time. Unfortunate. Got the junior, so we should be able to retake this pretty quick. Oh, okay, good job, teammate. Oh, teammate, flank them right now, please. They're right there. No, we could have flanked them, but then the bomb gave you away. Unfortunate. They probably didn't see what I was seeing. They probably had no way of knowing that that was a good idea. Ah, what is hitting me? Okay, well, this is scary. You don't see where I am. Oh, I think that was the dynamo. The dynamo actually could have swung on the way down, seeing that I was standing there. That's actually an error on their part for not killing me. One nice thing about the Stingray is that if your teammates are paying attention, they'll realize that you're pointing out where an enemy player is. Should be enough time to win the game. Especially if we get this pick. Literally just pre-fire the angles because they have to move forward. Nice. This is going decently well. I feel like what's probably also happening is that I'm just in a better mindset right now than I was when I was trying it before. I'm a little bit less frustrated, less, you know, on edge. Haven't been playing for as long. I tend to be playing my best about, you know, first hour, 45 minutes or so. Because my attention span is as long as it's going to be. Probably would be a good idea to take more breaks to try and recharge that battery a little bit in between. This can be frustrating. You use your own smiley face drawing to check the salt levels. That is something that I do recommend doing, and that's been seconded by Chara. Chara's advice in, I believe the top 500 video was, if you lose 3 games in a row, stop playing for a bit and check yourself. Check to see if you're tilting. I thought I could... I don't know why. I don't know why I tried that. I would have thought that as soon as they went airborne, at least, that my team would notice, but they're... Oh, because they're in spawn, I see. Yeah, you gotta be careful as a front line that you're not just allowing something to leak. Like, that definitely was an error. It's an easy error to make. It's one that I've definitely made before, but like... You pair up with someone and you each take one side. And as long as you do that, they should not have a way out, as long as you're paying attention to the right places. I see that. I see that. Double Dynamo is not the greatest for them. Yeah, they're just trying to desperation paint the zone with Booyah Bombs. That's not going to work. Oh no. Oh no. That is definitely on us. That is not the Ghoulies' fault. They should have expected that we would be able to stop that. And I was like, they don't have enough time to make it to zone. They have enough time to make it to zone. Now they got armor, so we're gonna wait for just a second, and then... Okay, they just popped armor on our team, and their armor should be up, so we're just gonna do this. Behind you, Triss. Behind you, behind you, behind you! Oh my god, I'm ouching for you! There we go. And the other one's Booyah bombing, so there's not much they can do about it, but... They could have stopped that Dynamo before it Booyah bombed, for sure. Yep. That right there was bait. I put myself in a position that was predictable, knowing that the 52 would try and come and do something about it. And when they did, I had charge ready. What? Oh, you know what? I was booyahing, and so it selected spawn. Oh well. Yes, turn around and fight me backwards. That's... Shoot away from the zone. That's the idea. Good job. Good job. It was a bold play, Lulin. I concur with that. Like Wahoo Zones. Wahoo Zones is the most acceptable Wahoo mode. Every other Wahoo is dog water. The whole gimmick of the bridge not being open to mid would be a lot cooler if there were any better ways to mid. But other than that one, every way to mid kinda sucks. So you just struggle to get to mid. And then you struggle to hold mid. And then once you get control, they really have a hard time getting back to mid. Just like, ugh. Mid should be the easy place to get to. It should be hard to hold mid. It's just everything's backwards from the way that a good map would be designed. Yeah. Alright. We traded it. And we somehow have zone, even though we're at a numbers disadvantage. I don't know how this is happening. Are they just not painting? Are they fighting somewhere random? What's going on? I'm starting to realize I do not like this position for this enemy comp. I'm just jumping out of here. I'm gonna wait a minute for my teammates to get back. Oh, this is a bad time to pop this. I was trying to take the pressure off of my teammate. Oh, come on, we're feeding. We're staggering in really badly right now. Granted, it is not the easiest thing to figure out how to position around an X-Blow. I even had my aim on, but I'm fighting at their range. The problem there was that once they got control of zone, they had Dynamo and X-Blow that were just fiending for picks, and they were getting a lot of them. Like, I know how to position around that and stay safe, but my teammates did not, and there's only so much that I can do to stop those backliners without the rest of my team staying safe and popping specials. Like, I can Ray one of them, and I tried to once, but I need support on the Ray. Like, the Ray is an opportunity for them to start pushing in, because I can kind of lock the backliners down. But I kind of panicked thinking, oh shoot, my teammate is about to go down to one of these things, and popped it early. And the teammate went down, and so now I was just solo Stingray. Solo Stingrays are not a good thing to do. You always want follow-up on your Stingray, because it doesn't do that much damage. It's annoying because it's global, and if you aim it well, it can be really hard to get away from. But it's a very, very slow time to kill. There was a heavy on the other team that popped it on me earlier as if it would splat me faster than the main weapon would, and it won't. The advantage of it is that it's global range, not that it splats quickly. So the best Stingray is a Stingray that you use while the rest of your team is pushing in. And I just never had my team in a position where they could push in as a unit. Almost got him. What? How? What just happened? I thought I was entirely behind the wall. Did I peek out on the right side? Is that how they got me? I am so flabbergasted about what happened there. Okay. We're not gonna mess around here. Unfortunately, neither are they. I'm out of charge. That's neat. Okay. We've got some picks. We might be able to cap the zone here. Good job. Okay. Still need to be really careful about this charger. man. Go, teammate. Why are you rolling with a carbon roller? Flick it. Okay. We got the fall off, and that's the only reason that that worked out. Well, this will be fun. I'm gonna array this guy before they get to attack my team. I don't like them having a route down there. Cool, it's just the brush. Will the brush feed in? Almost. Oh, the dualies might. Oh, I fed in. I got baited. I am the fool. To be fair, that would have been a good time for my teammates to be pushing up and helping me with the fights. Like, I didn't have to be the furthest forward there. That's really important. We got rid of their armor, we got rid of the zap, which is a good painting weapon. We got a way in now. Hi. Well. The zap came back. And our carbon is trying to play around the left-hand side for whatever reason. No, don't go in, Eddie. This is not the time. Well, he's trying to roll people with the carbon. I expect that at, like, C rank, but, like, at this point, you'd think that they'd know not to do that. The problem there is that I'm not good enough yet to know exactly where I'm aiming if I have the map open. Well, that was neat. So I guess I really do have to, like, flick it open so that I see here's where they are, and then close the map so that I can see where I have to aim next. I feel like you get to a level where you don't have to close the map, but maybe that's wrong, and maybe people actually just kind of do that. Yeah, there was a DC, but we were still in control. I don't feel bad about that win. I think we actually were just beating them. Carbon was going for some cheesy stuff. Cheesy's a word for it. I would say ineffective. Like, cheesy would be like you're flanking behind them and waiting to go in behind the entire enemy team, right? That's the sort of thing that is gimmicky but can work. But what they did there, instead of waiting to time the flank to be behind them once we were pushing in, which would have made that cheesy flank work best, they were just going in before anyone was ready to support it. And also trying to roll over them with the carbon roller. Well, we got the S+.